Most travel setups feel chaotic before you even unpack. Bags half open, cables tangled, bottles rolling. It's not just clutter, it's a constant sense of unfinished setup following you everywhere. The best trips feel different. Clean systems, fewer items, gear that earns its spot, not just fills space. That's why today I'm unpacking the top 40 Amazon travel gadgets you actually need. Quiet, organized picks that completely change how travel feels. Watch till the end. Once you see these, you'll never pack a suitcase the same way again. Number 1. 12 South AirFly SE Bluetooth Adapter. This is one of those tiny travel gadgets that completely changes how you experience long flights and entertainment on airplanes. It lets you connect your wireless earbuds or headphones to airplane screens, gym machines, or older devices without any messy cables. The sound feels smooth and private, almost like turning economy seating into your own personal cinema space instantly. Once you use it on a flight, going back to wired headphones honestly feels uncomfortable and outdated in comparison. Number 2. FiEye Travel Cable Organizer Bag. This looks like a simple pouch, but it instantly upgrades how organized your entire travel setup feels from the inside out. It neatly stores chargers, cables, earbuds, and small gadgets, so nothing gets tangled or lost inside your backpack or luggage. Everything has its own place, which saves you from that frustrating moment of digging around for a single charging cable. Once your gear stays this organized, packing and unpacking starts feeling surprisingly smooth and stress-free every single time you travel. Number 3. LISEN MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder. This is the kind of travel accessory you don't think you need until you try it on a long flight. It securely attaches your phone using strong magnetic support, making hands-free movie watching way more comfortable during travel hours. You can adjust the angle easily, so your screen always stays at the perfect eye level without neck strain. After one flight with this setup, holding your phone manually starts feeling unnecessarily tiring and outdated for travel comfort. Number 4. Jiaao Memory Foam Travel Neck Pillow Set. This is designed for travelers who actually want to sleep properly instead of waking up with neck pain everywhere. The memory foam gently supports your neck and head, keeping everything aligned even when you lean sideways during sleep. It wraps around comfortably, creating a soft support zone that makes airplane seats feel slightly more like home. After using it once, you realize how uncomfortable travel really was before having proper neck support like this. Number 5. COSLUS T40 Mini Water Flosser Travel. This is a compact dental care tool that keeps your oral hygiene on point even when you're far from home. It uses strong water pressure to clean between teeth effectively, giving a fresh, dentist-clean feeling after every single use. Despite its power, it stays small enough to fit easily into a travel bag or suitcase without taking space. Once you start traveling with it, skipping dental care routines while away from home is no longer a concern. Number 6. G4 Free Oversized Windproof Golf Umbrella. This umbrella feels like serious weather protection, designed for people who don't want rain ruining their outdoor plans ever again. Its oversized canopy keeps you fully covered, even during heavy rain or strong wind conditions that normally soak everything. The structure feels stable and strong, giving you confidence walking through storms without worrying about sudden umbrella flips. After using it once, regular small umbrellas start feeling completely unreliable in bad weather situations. Number 7. COIDEA Waterproof Shoe Travel Bag Set. This is a simple travel solution that keeps your shoes separated from clean clothes inside your suitcase or backpack. The waterproof material blocks dirt, moisture, and smell from spreading, keeping everything else in your luggage fresh and clean. It's especially useful for gym trips, vacations, or business travel where organization actually matters more than you think. Once you use it, throwing shoes loosely into your bag feels messy and outdated immediately. Number 8. Riemot Suitcase Cup Holder Travel. This is a clever little travel add-on that solves a very real airport problem, holding your drink while moving. It attaches to your suitcase handle, keeping your coffee or bottle secure while your hands stay completely free. It feels especially useful during long airport walks when balancing luggage and drinks becomes awkward and stressful. After trying it once, traveling without it makes simple things like coffee runs feel unnecessarily complicated. Number 9. Perilogics Airplane Phone Holder Mount. This is a smart travel tool that turns your airplane seat tray into a stable hands-free entertainment setup instantly. It securely holds your phone so you can comfortably watch movies, scroll, or video call without holding anything. The adjustable design helps you find the perfect viewing angle, even in tight or uncomfortable seating positions on flights. Once you use it, balancing your phone by hand during travel feels outdated and uncomfortable. Number 10. Universal 360 Travel Phone Holder. This is a flexible phone holder designed to give you stable viewing anywhere, whether you're traveling or just relaxing. It rotates fully, allowing you to switch angles easily for watching videos, reading, or taking video calls comfortably. The grip stays firm, so your phone doesn't slip even when surfaces are uneven or slightly moving. After using it, you start expecting this level of convenience from every travel setup you use. Number 11. 110 lb Digital Luggage Scale Black. This is a must-have travel tool that helps you avoid overweight baggage fees at the airport every single time. It gives quick and accurate weight readings, helping you pack smarter before heading to check-in counters or flights. The display is easy to read, so you don't have to guess or struggle with measurements. Once you use it, airport surprises and extra luggage charges become something you actively avoid with confidence. Number 12. UGREEN MagSafe Airplane Phone Mount. This is a powerful magnetic phone holder designed to make in-flight entertainment smooth, stable, and completely hands-free during travel. It locks your phone securely in place, even when the plane shakes or experiences mild turbulence during flight. You can adjust viewing angles easily, making movie watching or browsing much more comfortable for long travel hours. After using it once, holding your phone manually on flights feels unnecessarily tiring and outdated. Number 13. SUPERONE Retractable Car Charger USB-C. This is a smart car charging solution designed to keep your devices powered without messy, tangled cables everywhere. The retractable design automatically keeps cables organized, making your car space look clean and clutter-free during every drive. It supports fast charging, so your phone or devices stay powered even during short trips or long journeys. Once you use it, traditional messy charging cables in cars start feeling outdated and frustrating. Number 14. Vacbird Vacuum Compression Travel Bags. These bags completely change how much you can actually fit inside your suitcase when packing for trips. They compress clothes using vacuum sealing, saving a huge amount of space and making overpacking feel surprisingly easy. Perfect for jackets, shirts, and bulky outfits, especially when you're trying to travel light but still bring everything. Once you use them, regular packing suddenly feels inefficient and like you're wasting half your luggage space. Number 15. Logcow Stainless Travel Utensil Set. This is a simple travel essential that makes eating on the go feel cleaner and more comfortable anywhere. It includes reusable utensils that are sturdy, lightweight, and perfect for flights, picnics, or daily commuting meals. The stainless steel build feels solid and hygienic compared to disposable plastic cutlery you usually get while traveling. After using it, single-use utensils start feeling wasteful and inconvenient for regular travel routines. Number 16. Quatish Portable Travel Cutlery Set. This compact cutlery set is designed for travelers who prefer eating comfortably without relying on disposable airport utensils. It packs neatly into a small case, making it easy to carry in your bag without taking extra space. The utensils feel smooth and durable, giving you a more premium dining experience even when you're outdoors. Once you carry it, eating while traveling feels more organized and surprisingly more enjoyable. Number 17. Silicone Bottle Cover Travel Set 16-Pack. This set is all about preventing leaks and protecting your bottles during travel inside crowded luggage spaces. The silicone covers grip tightly, reducing spills and keeping your toiletries or liquids secure during movement or pressure changes. They're flexible and reusable, making them useful for both short trips and long international travel situations. After using them, leaking bottles in your bag becomes something you no longer worry about at all. Number 18. Zelin Anti-Theft Zipper Clip Set. This is a small but powerful travel security upgrade that helps protect your bags from unwanted access. The clips secure your zippers together, making it harder for anyone to quickly open your backpack or suitcase. They're lightweight and easy to attach, giving extra peace of mind when traveling through crowded airports or cities. Once you use them, unsecured zippers start feeling risky when traveling in busy environments. Number 19. Aecooly Slim Portable Mini Fan. This compact mini fan is perfect for staying cool during hot weather travel, commuting, or outdoor activities anywhere. It delivers delivers surprisingly strong airflow for its size, helping you stay comfortable even in crowded or warm spaces. The slim design makes it easy to slip into a bag without adding noticeable weight or bulk. After using it, hot weather travel feels much more manageable and less exhausting overall. Number 20. TRANOMOS Silicone Bottle Covers Leak Proof. These covers are designed to completely reduce the risk of leaks during flights or long-distance travel packing. They create a tight seal around bottles, preventing accidental spills that could damage clothes or electronics in your bag. The flexible silicone material makes them easy to stretch and reuse again and again without losing effectiveness. Once you rely on them, messy suitcase leaks become something you no longer deal with. Number 21. Portable Travel Safe Lock Box. This is a compact security solution designed to protect your valuables while you're staying in hotels or traveling. It locks securely and gives you a safe place for cash, passports, or small important belongings on trips. The portable design makes it easy to carry without feeling bulky or complicated during travel movement. After using it, leaving valuables unsecured in hotel rooms starts feeling uncomfortable and risky. Number 22. Gaiatop Clip Mini Stroller Fan. This clip-on fan is perfect for staying cool during outdoor walks, stroller use, or travel in warm weather. It easily attaches to different surfaces, giving flexible cooling wherever you need it most during hot conditions. Despite its small size, it delivers steady airflow that makes outdoor time much more comfortable. Once you use it, warm weather travel feels far less tiring and much more enjoyable. Number 23. Banch 15.6-inch Travel Laptop Backpack. This backpack is designed for travelers who need both organization and protection for their laptop and essentials. It offers multiple compartments, making it easy to separate tech gear, clothes, and travel accessories efficiently. The design feels modern and secure, ideal for business trips, commuting, or airport travel situations. After using it, carrying multiple bags starts feeling unnecessary and inconvenient. Number 24. Vacbird Wireless Pump Compression Bags. These compression bags take travel packing to the next level with automatic air removal convenience. They help shrink bulky clothes quickly, giving you much more usable space inside your suitcase instantly. The wireless pump makes compression effortless, removing the need for manual rolling or pressure squeezing. Once you use them, traditional packing feels slow and inefficient in comparison. Number 25. Travel Pill Organizer 10 Compartment. This compact organizer helps you keep your daily medications or supplements perfectly sorted during travel days. Each compartment is labeled and separated, making it easy to manage doses without confusion or missed intake. Its small size fits easily into bags, pockets, or handbags without taking unnecessary space. After using it, carrying loose pills or bottles feels disorganized and inconvenient. Number 26. TomTalk RFID Sling Crossbody Bag. This crossbody bag is built for travelers who want security, comfort, and quick access to essentials. It includes RFID protection, helping keep your cards safe from electronic theft while moving through crowded areas. The sling design feels lightweight and balanced, perfect for airports, city travel, or daily commuting use. Once you wear it, carrying bulky backpacks feels less convenient for quick travel. Number 27. Memory Foam Travel Neck Pillow Gray. This neck pillow is designed to make long flights or road trips significantly more comfortable and restful. The memory foam supports your neck gently, reducing stiffness and helping you sleep better during travel hours. Its soft fabric feels comfortable against the skin, making extended use much more relaxing overall. After using it, uncomfortable travel naps become much easier and more restorative. Number 28. Nikosho Compression Packing Cubes Set. These packing cubes help you organize your suitcase neatly while maximizing every bit of available packing space. The compression feature keeps clothes tightly packed, reducing bulk and making your luggage more structured and organized. They make it easy to separate outfits, saving time when unpacking or finding specific items. Once you use them, messy suitcases feel completely avoidable and outdated. Number 29. Riemot Travel Cup Holder Suitcase. This clever travel add-on instantly solves the problem of juggling your drink while moving through busy airports or stations. It attaches right to your suitcase handle, keeping your coffee or bottle secure while your hands stay completely free. Perfect for long walks through terminals when you've got luggage, tickets, and way too many things to manage at once. Once you use it, balancing drinks while traveling suddenly feels unnecessarily stressful and outdated. Number 30. SA Travel Toiletry Bottle Set 18-Pack. This set makes airport packing way easier by letting you carry all your liquids in approved travel-sized bottles. Each bottle is leak-resistant and designed to handle handle pressure changes during flights without messy spills in your bag. Perfect for shampoo, lotion, or skincare essentials when you want to travel light but still stay fully prepared. After using it, random leaking bottles and airport security stress feel like a thing of the past. Number 31. Bagale Compression Packing Cube Set. This is a game-changing packing system that helps you organize your suitcase while saving a huge amount of space. The compression design keeps clothes tightly packed, making it easier to fit more outfits without overstuffing your luggage. Perfect for separating clean clothes, dirty laundry, or different travel outfits in a neat, structured way. Once you start using them, messy suitcase packing starts feeling completely inefficient. Number 32. Travel Clothes Steamer 2-in-1 Portable. This portable steamer makes it easy to remove wrinkles from clothes no matter where you are staying. It heats up quickly and works on different fabrics, helping your outfits look fresh and presentable during travel. Perfect for business trips, weddings, or vacations where looking clean and sharp actually matters. After using it, wrinkled clothes from luggage stop being a frustrating travel problem. Number 33. SAW Silicone Travel Bottle Set 18-Pack. This silicone bottle set is designed to make airport security and travel packing much smoother and stress-free. The soft silicone design helps prevent leaks while keeping liquids secure, even during pressure changes in flights. Perfect for toiletries, skincare, or liquids you want to carry safely in your carry-on luggage. Once you use it, messy spills and airport liquid stress become completely avoidable. Number 34. Auto Face Tracking Phone Tripod 70.9-inch. This smart tripod follows your face automatically, making it perfect for vlogs, video calls, or solo travel content. It rotates smoothly to keep you centered in frame without needing anyone else to operate the camera. Perfect for creators who want hands-free recording while traveling or moving around different locations. After using it, traditional static tripods feel limiting and outdated for modern content creation. Number 35. Portable Bladeless Neck Fan 4000 mAh. This neck fan keeps you cool on the go without needing to hold anything in your hands. The bladeless design feels safe and comfortable while delivering steady airflow during hot weather or travel days. Perfect for commuting, walking, or outdoor trips when heat becomes uncomfortable and exhausting. Once you use it, hot weather travel feels much more manageable and refreshing. Number 36. Avantry Relay Airplane Bluetooth Adapter. This adapter upgrades your flight experience by letting you use wireless headphones with airplane entertainment systems easily. It connects quickly and delivers stable audio, so you can enjoy movies without wired headphone limitations. Perfect for long flights where comfort and wireless freedom make a huge difference in relaxation. After using it, airplane headphones feel outdated and inconvenient. Number 37. Septix Universal Travel Adapter 45 Watt. This universal adapter is a must-have for international travelers who need reliable charging in different countries. It supports multiple plug types, making it easy to power your devices almost anywhere in the world. Perfect for phones, laptops, and gadgets when you're constantly moving between destinations. Once you carry it, worrying about plug compatibility becomes completely unnecessary. Number 38. Airplane Seat Organizer Pocket Bag. This organizer transforms your airplane seat area into a clean and accessible storage space during long flights. It holds your phone, snacks, documents, and essentials right in front of you for easy access anytime. Perfect for staying organized when airplane tray space feels too limited or messy. After using it, reaching for travel essentials feels much more convenient and stress-free. Number 39. LISEN White Noise Travel Sound Machine. This sound machine helps you sleep better anywhere by blocking out unwanted background noise during travel or stays. It produces calming white noise that makes airplane cabins or hotel rooms feel more peaceful and quiet. Perfect for light sleepers who struggle with distractions in unfamiliar environments. Once you use it, noisy travel environments become much easier to relax in. Number 40. Ogi Home Travel Steamer 2-in-1 Portable. This travel steamer is designed to keep your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free wherever your journey takes you. It heats up quickly and works efficiently, making it easy to refresh outfits in minutes before heading out. Perfect for business trips or vacations when presentation and neat clothing actually matter. After using it, wrinkled travel clothes are no longer a daily problem. Travel feels different when nothing is fighting for space or attention. These tools don't add noise, they remove it, one small function at a time. From packing to rest, everything becomes more intentional. In the end, it's not about carrying more, but carrying better and moving through space with ease.